These headlights are pretty yellowed, so I'm going to pull these off and get them kind of cleaned up. Alright, what I'll be using on this headlight is the 3M Headlight Restoration kit. It comes with a drill attachment, some sanding discs, some buffing discs, some compound disc and solution. It's a great kit. I used it on my truck and the lights came out great. This is actually the leftover kit or leftover pads from when I did the truck headlights, so I'm going to try to use these to get 2 headlights done. First coat of sanding is all done. Next one is a finer grit to try to take out some of the scratches that were just put in with this sandpaper. For the next step, be using this the gray foam disc and some water. Now for the last step, to make it all clear, we're going to compound it. So that's using this foam disc. And the compound and the rubbing compound that comes with the kit. I still didn't do the bottom, but this is looking very nice. It's nice and clear again. There's you don't really see any scratches in the surface. Alright, so you can clearly see, so this is the other side, this is the driver's side that I haven't done yet, this is the passenger side. You can see how much clearer that is. So, I highly recommend the 3M kit. It has everything that you need, it has great results. Now, all I need to do is do this other one. Alright, 2 lights are done. They look really good. Not brand new, but a lot better than they were. Oh, that looks so much better.